Welcome to Ready to Rise. I'm your host, Cam Williamson, a YouTube cooking series where me and my family take to the kitchen in the time of quarantine to whip up our favorite meals. In this episode, we're going to make our homemade meatloaf. It's a southern-style comfort food made from the comfort of my own home. So relax and get ready to rise. What's up, guys? And I'm going to voice over this one. So I started up today by chopping up our vegetables. As you can see here on screen, I chopped up some carrots, I got some white onions, and I got some minced garlic over there. It's an excellent way to start, and it's a really good way to fill out a meatloaf. So you can't just toss it in there raw like that. It won't be any good. So as you guys can see, I have a pan of sizzling hot oil. I used canola oil with corn, and right there you can see I'm going to fry that until it's nice and brown. That's when you know it gets very aromatic throughout your kitchen. My wife immediately was like, "Cam, this smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat this." She's stoked about these, by the way. There we go. We're mixing up the meatloaf and the vegetable mix that I had together. I was actually supposed to add the breadcrumbs to the vegetable mix. I completely forgot. It was a tip I learned on YouTube to not dry out the meatloaf. I don't think it dried out the meatloaf at all, so no problem, but I will try that for the next one. Now, in the oven for 45 minutes. Ding! Next, I'm making the sauce. Alright, so it's mainly ketchup, and then you use your basic table salt seasonings, pepper, paprika, stuff like that. Now, I do have one secret ingredient that you will see right there, and I'm not going to tell you guys. And then, bam, you have a basic ketchup base to go over your sauce. It's a fun little coincidence of seasonings that my wife and I ended up doing somehow on camera. There, that doesn't look great, but bang! When you get rid of all the grease and stuff that goes around it.
The good thing about being the host of this show and the cook of it is I also get to prep, which most people see that as a negative. But, as promised, even though it's a little late, I've got the pizza episode coming for you guys. I'm actually prepping the salami that I had sliced fresh, the mozzarella that I had sliced fresh. I'm prepping it all now. So, I said the benefits of that. Why is that? The obvious. The taste test.
As I've been teasing the whole episode, stay tuned for our pizza episode coming up next. While you're here, guys, leave us a thumbs up, a subscribe, leave us in the comments how we're doing, and anything you might want to see in the future.